Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. It feels like forever that I have actually uploaded a video, but I wanted to do this really quickly because I totally missed the BJ sub box for this month. So as you guys know, these are released on the 25th of every month. So this was the previous month of September, and then the colors get released on the 10th the following month. So I hope that makes sense. If not, you guys can go back and see one of my other unboxing videos. It's a great value. They try to put in there as much as they can so that you can have a variety, and it's usually themed. This month was like fall, autumn type of theme. There was a whole bunch of products that were in this box. So let me go ahead, and I want to do this really quickly, and then I want to share with you guys a little bit of an update and let you guys know where I've been since it's been, I think, over a month since I last uploaded a video. So let's go ahead and dive in, and I'll show you what is in this super amazing box. Before we begin, I also do have a new setup, so let me know how the lighting looks. I really don't like getting a lot of shadows and things. A lot of times you just can't help it. But this is a totally brand new setup that I have. So let me know how everything looks. I'd really appreciate it. So when you open the box, of course, it's nicely wrapped with their little sticker. I've taken everything out so that I'm not rustling through things. But here is their signature thank you card. Super cute. And then this month there was 5 glitters and then a bonus. So let me go ahead. You guys already know I've made swatches, and I've already put these in my containers to go on my glitter shelf. Let's go ahead and start with the decals. So first, these are the 2 water slide decals. Super cute. There are a bunch of sample decals from Broken Leg Vinyl. These are all on white glossy vinyl. I love this one. I love the colors in it. Super cute. So a lot of variety there. Finally, there's also this leaf blank. It's an acrylic blank. It has the 2 protective sides so that you don't scratch it up. You can glitter these. These are keychains. See, there's a hole right there. It already comes with all the hardware, so that's really convenient. Now on to the glitter. So here are the 6 glitters that were included in the sub box. So I'll just go through them one by one and show you what it looks like under epoxy. So first we have Cider. This is a copper brown. It is holographic. You guys can see that. This is a medium chunky mix. Do you guys see all that sparkle? So here is what it looks like under epoxy. It shifts so many colors. I see some yellows and golds and greens in there, but it is so beautiful, especially under epoxy. So that one is Cider. The next medium chunky mix is this one called Whiskey Barrel. This is a dark red or brown. All these colors look so pretty together. This is a metallic, and this is what it looks like under epoxy. It is so pretty. You can see that like reddish tint in this. Next is Mischief. This is my favorite color from this collection. This is a maroon, gold, and green metallic chunky mix. You guys can see all those colors that are in there. It has sort of like a burgundy feel in there as well. And look how gorgeous this is under epoxy. kind of feels like the colors are just dancing around in there. I love this one. There's also 2 fine glitters that were in there. One's called Pumpkin Spice. The other one is Tuscany. You can see it's an orange and a yellow. These are both pearl metallic extra fine glitters. So this is a great pumpkin color. And then this one is Tuscany. It's more like on the mustardy yellow. So here they are under epoxy. Even though they're pearl metallic, they do have a great shine to them. And they go really well with the other chunky colors. And as a bonus, this month, I call it Falling Leaves 2. It's actually not available on their website, but this is a great addition to their current one that they have. I also do have the Falling Leaves. This would go really well with this collection too. It has the gold, the copper, the red, very autumn, but this one is more of the darker browns and copper, kind of like a champagne. And this is what it looks like. This is actually the side that I poured on. This one is, I don't know how it happened, but it is full of bubbles. So it's harder to see the beauty of these. I call it confetti, but super cute. And I love having the variation of both sets of these now. So these are the glitter colors, and that was what was included in September 2021 sub box. So I just want to go over really quick the reason I haven't been on YouTube the past month or so is because I have been renovating and redoing my craft room, and it was a big job, mostly because I did everything myself. I was actually just switching rooms that I have upstairs because I didn't need the space in my bedroom. So I decided to use my master bedroom as my craft room. The things we do for our crafts, right? But the space-wise, it has given me so much more room, but trying to do all that on top of having a full-time job, it was a lot. And a lot of pieces I did make myself as far as storage goes for the needs that I have in my craft room. So I have been getting a lot more into woodworking and just the basics. I'm not doing anything. I wish I could, but I don't have any of the really high-end tools that they have. But I'm slowly, you guys know, if you've been following me for a while, if I get into something, I get into it. So I want to do a room tour. Let me know if you guys are interested in seeing that. Maybe some of the solutions that I came up with as far as organizing and storage might help you guys out. But that's where I've been. So I can't say that I'm 100% done, but I am done enough so that I can start crafting again. So I'm excited about that, right in time for the holidays. I do have a Halloween cup that I'm trying to get finished and hopefully posted before the end of the month, which is in 2 days. I'm not sure that I can, but it still might give you some inspiration. And who knows, people might want Halloween cups after Halloween. And I think it's super cute. So I'll still go ahead and post that. So I hope you guys have been doing really well. I've been missing everyone and posting videos. So let me know what you guys have been up to. And hopefully you guys got a really quick view of the box, the sub box from BJ's. I absolutely love their glitters. You guys know that I use them all the time. Make sure to check out their website. If you haven't purchased from them before, you can use my 30% off coupon for new customers. That'll be linked down in the description box below. And if you've already shopped there, they always have a coupon on the homepage of their website. So it's super generous of them. Their shipping is super fast. So I hope you guys are having a great weekend so far, and I will see you guys really soon in another video. Bye everyone.